Hello everybody, Bowman Blade the Survival Kid here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make cordage out of burdock. Here we have our burdock, which looks similar to rhubarb, but burdock has a more hollow stalk. You see that? And these are the fibers here that we're going to be using for the cordage. Okay, so here you see I've removed the leaf. We don't really need that, we can throw that away. And this is what we're going to be using for the cordage. We're going to get these little fibers out by beating it with a stick. Now, you want to do it kind of lightly because the fibers will break if you hit too hard. You just go down the length of it. And see here now we have a mush of burdock. And these little fibers in here is what we're going to be using as the cordage. They come out and they are kind of difficult to separate from the meat of the plant, kind of. So you want to be careful not to break it. And what you want to do is you just want to separate all these fibers from the meat of the plant. So just do that. And then this will get you this. Alright, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be actually making cordage out of it. Now for that, you want to take a few strands, like a little bundle of them. Just bundle them up together like this. And then what you do is you take it in about the middle, you start twisting until this little loop forms from the tension that creates. You want to grab that loop, like this. You want the two separate strands. And with the one in your dominant hand, you turn it away from you until there's a little bit of tension in the middle here. Then you turn that like that. And you just keep doing that, and you will eventually have a usable amount of cordage. And I will be needing to splice this, which I will also be showing. So you just keep doing that. And then when one side starts feeling thinner, or like you're running out of cord here, like you see that, what you do is you take another strand, and you just lay it over top. And you want it to overlap with what you've already done a little, so that you can hold on to that. You take that, and you turn it into it. You want to do this a few times before you try splicing the other side. And now, as a little bonus, I'll be showing you how to make a necklace out of your freshly made burdock cordage. Now what we're going to be making the necklace out of is elderberry, a little bit, which is, it's kind of hollow, sort of. It's like a spongy material on the inside that you can pretty easily just push out with a stick. Alright, so here we have our little piece of elderberry with the hole in it. That's completely hollow now. So I want to clean up the ends a little bit. So I'll do that with my knife very carefully. Just clean up the corners a little bit. Take this, and then we have that end. Now this end. Alright, now that that's cleaned up, let's put it on the necklace. So here we have the burdock cordage threaded through the elderberry. And now what I'm just going to do is I'm going to unwind the end a little bit. I'm going to stick the other end that I tied off through it and just let that wind back up. Get it nice and tight there. And here we have the necklace. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.